You're looking at a 2022 Nissan Leaf SV electric with 18,000 miles. This vehicle comes loaded. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, Nissan safety systems, keyless entry, CHAdeMO fast charging. Comes with a charger, blind spot monitors, silver exterior, black cloth interior. The VIN number's right here. Inside we have navigation, powering the car on. We've got 18,822 miles. We've got navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitors, heated seats, heated steering wheel, climate control, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, heated steering wheel, all of the blind spot monitors, all of the safety systems that this one comes with, e-pedal for one pedal driving. Sorry, let me turn the car off so we don't hear the beep beep. Push start. Too much to list. Gets about 150 miles at 100% charge. It does qualify. Actually, I'm not sure if it. Scratch that. Forget that part about the qualification of the tax credit. I think the vehicle has to be 2 years old. Charge is right there. Like new condition, still under full factory warranty. The bumper to bumper warranty is 3 years, 36,000 miles, so still has another 18,000 miles, and I think another 18 months before the basic warranty expires, and then the battery's 8 years, 100,000 miles. It's a nice clean car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, it's 508-921-0301. I'm just going to finish the walk around on the exterior. Thank you and have a good day.